Okay. Reeds. Oboe reeds. Sometimes your friend, sometimes not so good. For example, this reed was so good. It was really good, but it's unfortunately getting a little bit on the old side. But what if there is something we can do about it with just one simple trick? Welcome back to another video. Today I have a very quick reed tip I want to give you. It's more of a trick actually. Let me explain what I'm talking about. You know, when you have reeds that are really good but they're getting a little bit old, what can you do to refresh them, prolong their life? Well, that's a simple trick that you can use anywhere you are, because it uses one ingredient that you can find pretty much in every supermarket, which is... Oh, sorry, that's the wrong bottle. That's for something else. We'll talk about it another time. Apple vinegar is actually what we're talking about. So let me show you how to do the trick. It really takes 2 minutes. Basically what you need here is your reed soaking glass. You fill it as much as the scrape of the reed, approximately 10-11 millimeters. You put some water inside and some vinegar, 50-50 approximately ratio. You put in the reed, all the reeds, and you soak it for 1 to 2 minutes.
A few minutes later.
You take it out, you give it a good wash, and you're ready to go. So that's pretty much it. Super simple. Try it out. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Otherwise, make sure you stick around, because I'll be sharing some other tricks like this in my future videos. So I'll be very happy to see you very soon. See ya!